everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of July reading, start from the 8th through the 14th of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time starting today. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's see what is heading towards the Sagittarians in this week time. Starting today. Let's begin. High Priestess paired up with Nine of Swords, paired up with Page of Wands. One thing for sure, you really have to stay very positive about whatever that is going on here in your mind, because your intuition is very heightened. You are, I feel like, you are pretty much manifesting everything and anything and everything that you are holding here. So make sure you hold all the positive thoughts, all the positive situations, all the positive things on your mind during this week time. If you think otherwise, that's going to become your reality. So you are you have the basically you have basically the power to make this your best week or to make this your worst week. Now if you are whatever it is that you want, I would suggest you to think of the final outcome, whatever you desire, not of the process. How is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? Just know that it is happening. Just know that it is going to come your way. Be that in your love life, be that in your work life, be that in your home life. The more you are relaxed, the more you are focused on the outcome, the more you are not going to let fears creep into your mind, which is going to bring you more reasons to be fearful. So make sure you make the most of this energy around you during this week time and use it to your advantage, instead of making your life miserable by thinking negative thoughts, by bringing more reasons to be more negative for. So again, try to stay positive, try to stay focused on what you desire, not on what you don't want. So whatever it is that you want, if you keep your focus onto that, you are definitely going to get some sort of good news around that. If you don't, you are definitely going to have trouble dealing with situations in your life, be that in any area. It seems like all you need to do is, all you need to understand is, your mind should be clear from any clutter, that to the negative one. Don't think of random situations, or don't let random thoughts kind of always absorb you in them. Instead of that, try to meditate as much as you can during this week time, because that's going to help you create the reality that you desire. So make sure you are using this time. Make sure you are using this time. Hold on. Make sure you are using this time to bring yourself what you want, instead of wasting it thinking negative thoughts. So let's see more cards. Three of Wands, the Chariot, Four of Pentacles. Underneath the deck you do have the Judgment. Underneath that, King of Swords. Underneath that, Ace of Pentacles. Underneath that, Eight of Wands. I do see, for some reasons, if you are waiting on for something to happen, it might take a little bit time. But again, it's not going to take time if you stay focused on what you want. If you are too caught up with that, anxiety and, when is it going to happen and all those things, will it ever happen and all those things, like the negative emotions, then it's going to take time. So the delay is going to be different for different people. If you are very clear in your head and you're not catering any negative thought around it, you are going to get whatever it is that you are waiting for. For some of you, it can be some plans regarding your travel plans or something around those lines, something that is going to happen from a distant land. It can be you traveling to see a person, it can be a person traveling to see you, it can be maybe a job offer, whatever it is going to come from a distance. It's not going to be like, there where you are. So whatever it is, whatever message, whatever news, whatever, approval, whatever it is that you're waiting for, if you know that it is going to happen, it is going to happen. If you are going to let your mind think negative, it's going to bring you that, as your reality. So don't let that happen. I do see whatever it is that you want. If you get too caught up in that negative mindset, you are going to experience some delays. If you stay positive, the delays are going to be something that you're going to skip and jump into what you want. So things going to pace up if you stay positive, things going to slow down if you stay negative. So whatever it is, I feel like whatever it is that you're waiting for, you are definitely getting it. But it's going to be different for both the people. If you think you resonate more with the person who is going to use this week time to create the life that you want by thinking and staying positive, then you are definitely getting the good news around whatever it is that you're waiting for during this week time. For those of you who are struggling or juggling or will be juggling and struggling during this week time, to stay focused and let go of the delays and try to stay focused on what you want rather than how is it going to happen, why is it taking so long, why is this happening, why is that happening. If you're gonna get into all those whys and ifs and buts, then it's not gonna, it's not gonna happen for you this week time. But for majority of you, I feel like, you are going to get the good news, whatever it is that you're wanting and wishing and hoping for. For some of you, it can be you you know want your partner to give you a good news around they are, traveling to see you, like I mentioned earlier. So whatever it is, you are definitely going to get it. For some of you, there will be delays. For others of you, it's going to be it's going to be happening during this week time itself. Again, if and only if you stay positive and don't cater any negative thought around it. So yeah, let's take one card from this oracle deck now. Let's see what it has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Try to stay positive. Don't let your mind don't let your mind chatter kind of, distract you from what you want and, confuse you with different kind of thoughts around it. So let's see, what else do we have. Instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good of good for all. Now this is again, I don't know which sign it came for earlier, and I did mention one thing here. Instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. Now this is something which I always, don't go with. I don't believe in this. I don't believe the energy that, this card brings in, because what I believe in, you should pray for your outcome, whatever it is that you desire, and pray along with that, outcome, that please God, make this outcome be the best for everyone involved. Now there are two things. One, you are praying and asking for what you desire, plus you are asking God to bring bring happiness with that outcome to everybody involved in the situation. So you are not harming anyone by getting your wish fulfilled, by getting the outcome. When it comes to this card, it's not like, it's like, it's more like, it's, I feel like, it is limiting you from asking what you should be asking from God. And I don't like this card at all. I feel like, just throwing this card away from this deck. I really don't like the energies of this card. But again, when it comes to your situation, for some of you, maybe you are giving up on what you dream of because of other people involved in the situation. Maybe you don't want to hurt this, you don't want to hurt them, and you are doing things that you're not doing the things that you want to do because of other people involved. So if that's the case, again, think of what I just said. Try to wish and pray that this, whatever it is that you are waiting for, whatever it is that you are, wishing and hoping for, ask God to make this outcome to be the best for everybody involved in this situation. And that's it's gonna be like, whatever you ask for, whatever you believe in, that's gonna be the reality. So why to ask for something which is going to be good for everyone, but maybe you want something more than that, but it is like, you fear that it's not going to be good for others. So make your prayer very clear. Put the intention out very clearly that this is what you want, And with this card, it stops you from asking what you desire because of, you know, maybe other people are not going to be okay with what you are asking for. But if you ask, like, you know, whatever I pray, whatever I want, make that the best decision for everybody involved in this situation. So it will be that. So there is nothing that you cannot have. There is nothing that God cannot do. So why not asking, you know, why you are not asking for something big and huge that will bring happiness to everybody involved. So I never go with this energy, but for those of you who want to go with this energy, and the card that is showing up, which says, instead of praying for an outcome, I pray for the highest good for all. Now again, I don't go with this card, but if it's your choice, it's your call, whatever you want to go for. If you want to go with this, then I feel like, you know, it's I would never recommend that. So it's totally your choice if you want to go with that. But I believe that, you know, you wishing for an outcome and believing in that outcome is or should be the thing only. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.